Profitability challenges that we see now is not only due to the falling and declining oil prices recently. I think we have been in a period over the last 10 years where we have seen significantly higher capex numbers, less efficiency. So this has been sort of visible for some years, that the industry has to be more effective in addressing the cost base. Typically for this industry we have been slashing and burning cost when the prices are low, and then we go back to do things as we have done it before when the prices gain momentum again. This time we have to try to attack it in a different way. We have seen over the last 9 months, due to the lower prices, that the demand has increased, but the supply side is stronger right now, so we have some sort of a structural oversupply. I think partly because of Saudi Arabia is gaining market share, and also perhaps because the US unconventional is more resilient than we planned. And I think we just have to assume that this industry will face volatile pricing moving forward also. So I think the key focus that we have in our company is to make sure that we have focus on what we can control ourselves. We are progressing well and according to plan. There are 2 key focus areas for the teams now in Shell and BG, and that is to satisfy the regulatory approvals, and we are following our plans there. The second part is to plan the integration processes. Both companies have put together a common team to plan integration, and that process is also going very well.
It looks like Shell has a very strong head start. It's becoming the biggest LNG producer in the world, and let's see if Total or Exxon or BP will be able to catch up, or also Chevron. So it might be with organic projects, so there's a lot of new LNG projects being developed right now, but with acquisitions, so inorganically, it doesn't look like it right now.
I think we're shifting towards a lower forecast, and of course what that means is essentially it's the usual, the winners and losers. Who are the winners? The consumers. It will continue to boost real incomes in countries like the United States, like the UK, like the Eurozone, like China. So that's on the whole it's good for the world economy, and unsurprisingly countries like Norway, countries like Russia, and of course the OPEC countries are the big losers.